What's good, creative fam? Brandon Washington here. And first of all, if you're brand new to my channel somehow, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button and tuning in tomorrow because we got a lot of really great stuff happening on this channel. I'm putting out videos almost every single day at this point, talking about filmmaking gear, tips, and tutorials. But for all my subscribers out there, I wanted to let you guys know about something that I'm doing tomorrow. Today's video is not going to be like a typical video. This is more of like an update / announcement about tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm going to be doing a live stream starting at 4 o'clock Central Standard Time. Now, if you want to make sure you have all the details on that, be sure to follow me over at my Instagram. That's where I'm going to be posting and sharing and letting you guys know updates as far as how everything's going to roll on the live stream. But in this live stream, we're going to be talking about cameras. Tons and tons of cameras have been announced recently, whether you're looking at maybe the Sony a7iii III or the Fuji XT-3 or the Canon EOS R or even the Nikons, the Panasonics. There's so many new cameras that have just been announced, and so we're gonna go over all of them. Now, I know a lot of you guys have some really strong opinions about these cameras, and I want to talk to you guys about it. You know, I'm not the type of person that shies away from people who have different opinions than me, and I know a lot of you guys have been asking me tons of questions, and so this live stream is going to be our chance to really get together and talk about these cameras. So be sure to tune in tomorrow at 4 o'clock Central Standard Time, so that way we can talk about the state of cameras going into the holiday season, because I know a lot of you guys are probably looking at picking up some cameras probably around Black Friday, probably around the holidays, getting them as gifts for other people and maybe gifts for yourselves. So we're gonna sit down, we're gonna talk about cameras, and we're gonna do it all live. So that way you guys can hear my thoughts, I can elaborate a little bit more, and I can hear what you guys have to say, and maybe some of you guys can convince me to think about some things I hadn't thought about yet. So I look forward to sitting down with you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys in the next one, which will be tomorrow. Peace.